Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we are looking at the best deals over at Walgreens for the week of March the 2nd to the 8th. And this is going to be one of those weeks where you're going to be at the store or putting in curbside orders nonstop. And why am I saying that? Is because the flyer is so amazing. And then we got like 4 different boosters, which are all spectacular. 3 of them are online exclusives only, and 1 is both online and in store. So it's going to be a really terrific week over at Walgreens. So I'm really looking forward to it. Just to show you the fine print of each of them, this first one's a 9 back when you spend 45, and this is both in store and online. And then the next 3 are online onlys that include a 15 back when you spend 45 on P&G, and this typically stacks with the first one. So hi. Can you not see how great that's going to be? A 5 back when you buy 2 P&G dental care products, and this is an online only. The devil's in the details, and the details is at the line below. Hopefully you can see where I'm talking about that. And then a 10 back when you spend 25 on beauty, and that is online only, and we will definitely look at deals for that as well. Time for a pop quiz. What's a booster? The bottom one below, we were just looking at that. That's a digital booster. And the top one's a paper booster. So when I'm like, don't use Walgreens Cash, use Walgreens Cash because of a booster, this is specifically what we're talking about. It's deals that hinge either on the paper or the digital. So hopefully that is crystal clear. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad along with all of the digital coupons will be published on Sunday, March the 2nd. So that's when you're going to see all of the coupons and the ad switch over on Sunday the 2nd. If you could do me a huge kindness, guys, I know you're awesome, but I'm asking for a little bit of extra awesome. If you could please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. I mean, hey, I threw in a pop quiz. That's pretty awesome. If you could like the video, I'd be so grateful. And let's not forget this weekend is the Dollar General clearance event. 32-cent Gain fireworks, 25-cent Bic razor. Do I have your attention? 25-cent L'Oreal Elvive, and it just keeps getting better and better. So the event ends on Sunday the 2nd. Please check out this video and my haul if you want to try and emulate a couple deals. If you have a bit of free time this weekend, I would definitely try and make some of this happen. You know that the way couponing is, they kind of just sometimes close that door, how many deals you can get. So if you could score big at the Dollar General, maybe it's the time that the pharmacy shopper goes over to the Dollar General and makes something happen. Hey, deal number 1, we're going to talk about 3 freebies right off the bat. So that's why I'm like so hyper by this. We're looking for dental care products at $3.50 a pop. And then we have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. Make sure you have this guy loaded. Grabbing 2 of those Crest products for $7, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $4. Get back a $4 register reward, making it completely free. And if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use $4 in Walgreens Cash to earn your register reward. Next 2 freebies hinge on the app IBOTTA. The first is this little Kinder Square, and always double, triple check. Does my IBOTTA account have these freebies? Yes or no? See that little green check? You have to make sure it's checked. You buy it, photograph your receipt, send it off to them. And that's how you get the money in your account. And this one just showed up on Friday. It's a little Glade plug. So hopefully it's $1.78 over at Walgreens. And that's yet another freebie. How exciting. Moving it along, we have the Garnier and the Whole Blends. And hopefully we get a 3 off of 2 on both products. So you can do this deal twice. Grabbing 2 of these Garnier Fructis, it's 8. They're $4 a pop. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Let's not forget, class. We're going to have to double, triple check that Whole Blends and Fructis, are there 2 separate coupons? And if there are, you have to do it in 2 separate transactions to grab your Fructis and your Whole Blends so that register reward will print for you twice. Just a little tip. Yet another fantastic deal this week is with the Cheerios. They are 3 for $7. But Wait a second. Over on IBOTTA, there's 75 cents back that you can do up to 3 times in concert with the deal. That's $2.25 back. Looking at the math for this, 3 boxes of Cheerios specifically is 7. You're going to photograph your receipt to get $2.25 back from IBOTTA. The final price point here is $4.75 for the 3 or $1.58 per box. It is okay to use Walgreens cash again if you're doing this deal with no booster, but what a deal. And also Fetch Rewards, is there a rebate for this cereal? Yes or no? We'll have to see if there might be. I think there's a bigger progressive one I had, like spend 30, get back like 5 or something like that. But check and photograph it to Fetch. You have nothing to lose. Head and Shoulders again at $6, $5 reward when you buy 2, and a 3 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of the smaller bottles at $6 a pop, that's 12. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay 9. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $4 for the 2 or $2 per. Now, let's not forget, class, IBOTTA had a very generous rebate. It was there and then it vanished. Will it be back on Sunday? Double, triple check. And again, you can use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Okay, so now we're doing a deal for the Dove shampoo, always the cheapest item in the line, and we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon according to this. Grabbing 2 of those shampoos, it's going to be 10. Subtracting the digital coupon, you will pay 5. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per bottle. And again, it's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Spend the 5 to earn the 2, and it would be 3 for the 2 as described. But what a deal for some cheap shampoo. And another deal that's really fantastic, hopefully your store isn't cleared of these, it's the Axe body wash for $5 with a 7 off a 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of these for 10, subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay 3 or $1.50 per unit, and that is definitely a stock up price, guys. I would stock up on that. Just what a great deal. And if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay it down. But I love, love, love this deal to get such cheap body wash. It was there like 2 weeks ago. It's back. So a little bit of magic. And the Tresemme, another 5 off a 2 digital coupon. So they must think this is our Christmas. Grabbing 2 products at $7 a pop, that's 14. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay 9. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per bottle of Tresemme. I'm really hoping that the hairsprays will be 7, but you can't always get that. And again, it's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Colgate, we see it says online coupon $2. So I think it's $2 for a paste, $2 for a wash or a brush. So grabbing 2 different Colgate products for $8, subtracting the $2 digital, so that's $4 coming off. You're going to pay $4, get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per unit. And again, it's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. For this next deal, we're going to throw in our friend a 5 back when you spend 20. And these were printing out for me the week previous when I was picking up my prints over at Walgreens. So for this one, we're going to grab 4 P&G laundry care products, $4 reward when you purchase 4. Look for the items that are tagged, and typically there's about $5-ish of coupons for the Tide laundry care. So grab a little mix and match of the items that are corresponding with your coupons. And again, look for what is tagged, guys. $5.49 times 4 is $21.96. Hopefully there's $5 worth of coupons. Get the cashier to scan your digital booster. You're going to pay $16.96 with your debit card. Get back a $4 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $7.96 for the 4 items or $1.99 per product. Do not use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as you're using a spend booster of spend 20 to earn back 5. Deal we're looking at is a 5 back when you spend 15 if you might have received this one. So why not throw it into another deal, and hopefully you guys are getting them to print as well at your store. So we're going to be grabbing 2, like a men and a women's razor at $9.99, and it says up to 5. So I'm assuming that coupon's a 5 off of 2. $6 reward when you purchase 2. So grabbing both a men and a women's, it's going to be $19.98. Subtracting your digital coupon, get the cashier to scan your paper booster. You're going to pay $14.98 with your debit card. Get back a $6 register reward. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $3.98 for the 2 or $1.99 per razor. Do not use any Walgreens cash as you're using a booster of spend 15 to earn back 5. Okay, so now we're looking at this guy, 5 back when you spend 15. Again, this deal is a little bit different. Currently right now on these Gain products, we have a $2 for the liquid and a $2 for the pods. I recommend you load those coupons ASAP. So one of each is $19.98, subtracting $4 in digitals. Get the cashier to scan your booster. You're going to pay $15.98 with your debit card. Get back a $4 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $6.98 for the 2 or $3.49 per laundry care product. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using a booster. Hopefully that repetition is making it clear. The last deal that we're looking at is a 5 back when you spend 20. And for this one, we are going to grab more than $20 of the Schick products because it's a $10 reward when you spend 20, but grabbing 2 razors at $9.99, you're 2 cents short from hitting that threshold. This is not CVS. Okay, so 2 razors, a razor and a refill will be $24.98, so a men and a women's. Get the cashier to scan your booster, and then that digital coupon, I'm assuming it's going to be a 6 off a 2, but I might be wrong. We'll have to wait and see what it is on Sunday morning. You'll pay $18.98 with your debit card. Get back a $10 register reward for spending 20, plus $5 in Walgreens cash for your booster, making it $3.98 for the 2 or $1.99 per razor unit. And remember not to use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you have a spend booster and a spend offer with the Schick of spend 20 to get back the 10. And I apologize about the length of this video. I know I never go really this long, but man, there's so many deals. Honorable mentions, the first goes to these online coupon codes that are starting on March the 2nd. So we are definitely going to utilize them. Do you guys see $150 off a Dry Idea or a Right Guard? I love typos. Imagine they gave us a $150 off coupon. I'd grab the whole aisle. Would you? Let me know in the comments down below. We have a 4 for $10 on these laundry care products, so it makes it $2.50. And yes, you can mix and match. A very good price point. Buy one, get 2 for free. Typically, it shakes it out to 93 cents per box of 20 freezer bags, which is great. We have a $1.25 Walgreens coupon attaching to it, making it $3.75 for the Scott. I'd love to see other digital coupons to go with some manufacturers, but we'll have to wait and see. And for the Native line, we have up to $7 off. It says Native bath, hair, skincare. I'm really excited to see what products it'll attach with that digital coupon. And let's not forget that makeup offer that's going to be online, $10 reward when you spend $25. And Maybelline has a 5 off 2 digital. Definitely load that one on Sunday morning. That's it for this video, guys. We will catch you in the next one. And if you're interested in the Dollar General, the videos are linked right here. Bye, guys.